Good morning, teacher. Today we are going to talk about the Ecuador Music Festival. It is a great event where people enjoy different music genres and celebrate Ecuadorian culture. The festival is going to take place in Quito next month. Many national and international artists are going to perform for thousands of people. There are going to be many music genres, for example. People are going to listen to salsa, reggaeton, pop, rock, and traditional Ecuadorian music. The salsa band are going to make people dance at night. Reggaeton singers are going to perform their most popular songs, and rock bands are going to bring a lot of energy. Traditional Ecuadorian groups are also going to participate. They are going to show their country musical heritage and tradition. The festival will attract visitors from the different. It will be a great opportunity to discover new artists and enjoy live music. People will have fun making new friends and create unforgettable memories. We are sure the Ecuador Music Festival will be an amazing experience. Thank you for listening.